Alright, so this is the Minho River again. So this is at Pennants. Okay guys, so this is at Pennants, Clarendon. Actually standing on the new bridge. You're looking at the old one, still intact, but I must tell you that this is a lot of water. Let's cross the road and see what is going on the next side of the bridge. So as you can see guys, a lot of water, so all of this water is coming from top Clarendon, Manchester, coming from Spaldings, all of those places. So as you can see, definitely a lot of water.